Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So today is Wednesday. Eid Kabir, Eid al-Adha is exactly a week from today. Sorry, I'm running late. I need to leave the house, so I want to start running errands. We are traveling to Daura on Friday, inshallah. The kids, this is going to be Khairia's second time of going to Daura, but the Misters and Ansar's first time of better. The light is better of going to Daura. So yeah, I am going to start running errands, Tailor errands. I'm going to pick up my outfits from the tailors and Kairias. Some my siblings will have to bring to me when they are coming, and some I can pick up today. One that I was supposed to pick up on Monday, I reached out to them yesterday. I didn't even go on Monday. I reached out to them yesterday and be like, I'm going to come pick up my clothes around 3 p.m. yesterday. And the social media handler was like, oh, it's not ready. I was like, but you guys said it was going to be ready on the 19th. And she was like, well, it's not ready. So I was like, but I told you guys that I needed it. I'm traveling on Thursday. She was like, well, I didn't tell them that I'm traveling. I just told them that I needed something to wear around. I'm like, so do I have to also tell you where I want to wear my clothes to? Like, if I go to Daura, I'm still wearing them at home. That is my house. Like, I mean, I don't really have much options of clothes to wear, you know. So, and they practically called me a liar. I don't even know whether to ask them for the clothes when I'm going to come pick it up or not. I am sorry, try and comb it. So I'm just going to wait to see what they have to say. And yeah, we are traveling to Daura, inshallah. And Khairia is here. And Ansar is trying to get his hair combed. So I'm going to drop them off at my mom's place. My mom is already in Daura. She loves Daura so much. Grandma is already in Daura. She left Daura for Daura yesterday. What? Yeah, so...
What?
Yeah, you don't know?
No.
Yeah.
She's coming as a whole family.
No, we are traveling all separately. So I'm wearing this outfit from how many years ago? 2016. 7 years. So it's still, that is the good thing of investing in super wax. You can still wear it. This was when super was like 45,000. I'd be 35,000. But yeah, let's get going. Fatima, come. she's running away. I am Mutapi. We are running late.
Where?
I'm going to drop you off at grandma. So yeah, it is wrapper, and how much I have changed. Okay. So Amaria, with you. How much I have changed in the last 7 years. Good. And it's wrapper skirts, and my veil.
Also grown.
And you're so grown, yeah, in the last 7 years. I love to put my bag like this. It just also helps to put the veil down. Catch you guys when I do. The mister will be the only one at home. So peace. Hey guys, so we are out. I'm at Gwarimpa now to see if I can get Ansar's outfit made in 2 days. We have a tailor. I didn't even know that he moved from his former place because he did me something. You guys know the story now. So my mom said he apologized. So I want to see if he can just do something very simple and casual for Ansar for the journey, because what I had in mind, the tailor is disappointing right now, so I need to create an alternative. I'm here with Khairia. She's lying down, she's tired. I'm currently catching up on this issue in that of Aisha Humaira, where she talked about cautioning women about the rate at which women are really padding up their outfits these days. Like, I don't even mind, I didn't even know that it was happening, you know, because there was it last year? It was in 2022 that the thing was so rampant amongst brides, amongst bridesmaids. You see women, very tiny waist. There's just this, I don't know how to put it, but it's becoming unbecoming. So this same tailor that I told you guys earlier in this video that she told me that kind of called me a liar now. There was a style I wanted from her, and she was like, oh, it's padded. And I was like, padded how? She said, oh, like, except I said, no, me, I want something light. I just like sew my clothes, put the regular lining to, you know, cover the transparency of the cloth. That is all I want. I'm already very like curvy down there. I don't need extra padding for it, because then it's going to now even make my waist cinch a little bit smaller and all that. So some of these things is just, I don't know, it takes away from confidence. I know when you gain weight and you want to lose it, right, it's understandable, but when you just, I don't know, I don't want to say it's double standard. I don't want to talk so it doesn't sound like double standard, but it shows a lot when it now becomes a problem when you get married. I think I should even talk about this in my Jamila Daura channel. When you get married and you and your husband start having issues and he's telling you that there is deception, there is this thing, there is that. So bye Anna. Kuma ka karbi number shi? Okay, so number shi. So this is just how I feel about it. Like when you get married, make sure that the man you're marrying is understands that you don't have that much hips, or your waist is not that tiny, you know, or your boobs are not that firm, because by the time they have to do all these things, they have to either, you know, make a corset around the waist that will push up the boobs up and cinch your waist and give you very broad hips. It's not good. I think, I mean, well, it's just out there. It's something that's currently going on. For me, I've just been worried about it since last year, honestly. Because since last year, I noticed it. If you are naturally curvy and you feel like, oh, you have a big tummy and your tummy is getting in the way, it's affecting your confidence, it's another thing. It's sustainable. You can either diet, go for surgery, or do whatever it is that you need to do to get corrected. But if you are not curvy, you don't have that big hips and broad hips and firm boobs, and you start making clothes that will accentuate things like that, and when you have to start living that real life with your spouse and he realizes that you're not all that, then that is going to cause you people problem of trust in your union. Anyways, Abdul is not around, the tailor is not around. I just called him multiple times, he's not picking up. He does not have my number, I want to believe, so it's not as if he's avoiding. Unfortunately, something happened, and so they couldn't. Something happened to him, so I guess maybe he's still recovering. We are at the laundry place. We came to pick up laundry. The driver went in. I'm tired. I've not even started my day, but I'm already tired. I had a very, very super long day yesterday. I did laundry the whole of yesterday, edited videos, uploaded videos, because I want to be able to bring not real-time Eid vlog, you know, but just be able to not make my Eid content too old, you know, too old to put out. So Harriet is still lying down. Those are the clothes I wanted to make for Ansar, but let's see how it goes. It's really nice. I like it. I know. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Daura, here you come. I'm gonna try your Eid, madam. Do you like it?
Yeah.
But you people do not do this thing very well now. You said it was.
Wait, movies? I didn't know there were movies.
Come on, Kyria. Nigeria is not bush. Come, my babu. We have everything, Kyria.
From America?
Yeah, we have not everything from America, but just like America, Kyria. We have movies, we have beach, we have malls. Huh?
OMG.
OMG. She made a kasamuk away.
I also saw H&M.
Yeah, but that is not a real H&M though. What are you looking at? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, come and use your deodorant. Hey guys, today is Friday, day 3 or day 2 of this vlog. Yesterday was supposed to be day 2. I couldn't bring you guys along. It was a very long, hectic day. Packing, chasing down tailors to be able to get our clothes. Yeah, thank God we couldn't even fly out yesterday because that was the intention, Thursday. But today we are flying out, inshallah. But yeah, I'm here. I'm all dressed. I'm waiting for the mister. I'm wearing this Maiduguri outfit and
Assalamu alaikum.
But give Fatima this back, Iria, so we don't forget.
Where is she?
She's in Ansar's room. Fatima, in moment I did a can little chunk of young cousins and okay, buy you coke and tie the cashes. Make it here so you look you which. Thank you, just okay, okay, hoto a corridor din ka fon baban su yazo. Oya, ansar Fatima je ki bata sa abun hammata ba. Je ki sa mata. So, yes, we are getting ready to leave for the airport. It is raining heavily, so chances are that they may delay our flight. I'll show you guys my outfit. I'm not sure if I want to bring this neck piece, but I like it as it's under here. I'm still going to use a veil on this. And yeah, how do you guys like my outfit? Let me see if I can give you guys an OOTD from the floor like this. So this is OOTD. It's a two-piece community here. It's a two-piece vibe here. I love two-piece. So I'm all done packing. I'm just waiting for my main phone to charge. I'm looking at my hand luggage now. Once the phone, okay, 75%, I'm going to give it another 15% to see if I can get it to 100% or 80% or 90%, then I'll be good for the rest of the day. So Irena Kalona.
Say hi to Mama's video.
She wouldn't say hi. They are seeing her. Fatima is leaving as well today. She is going to her family house for. Okay, yeah, because she's not shy when it comes to you, but she's shy with me. So she's going to her family house for Eid. So I'm going to. She said she wants to see us off to the airport. I don't know why, for some weird reason, she feels like this is bye-bye. She did, I don't know, because she was supposed to be all packed since yesterday from my parents' house, but she did not. So she has to go back to my parents' house to pack her things again, some of the things she's traveling with. But we are fingers crossed whether she. Fatima Zaikidao. She said you guys got co-wire singing with Zaikidao. So yeah, we are hoping Zoki Uche. Okay, so she can say Niman. Okay, Zaki okay on Hotonko. So I want Fatima to take me some nice pictures in this my hallway that has so much light. Am I do Utani? Oh, okay. We've been in darkness since last night, since 9 p.m. So there's been no light and it's raining heavily. But yeah. Okay, so let me end this vlog here. Please subscribe. The next vlog you guys are going to be seeing is me in Daura, inshallah. My mom called me this morning and she was like, my grandmom was asking that where am I, like why am I not there yet? So she heard that my mom was in town and she sent to the house that they should come and check. She asked if I wanted my fura to be made before I come or if I want to wait for me to come before she sends for my fura to be made. So I'm really excited for this experience. I pray I'm able to bring you guys along as much as I can. I am really looking forward to this experience, but before then, let's go take some pictures. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.